about B. Let's see how you did on it. Okay, so x-intercept. X-intercept. Diana, what do we know about x-intercepts?
Y is equals
So what does your equation look like?
0 equals 2x plus 4.
Very good. Okay, so you have a question about that? Okay, so Emmanuel, what am I going to do now to solve this?
Subtract 4.
Good. Subtract the 4 over. And then what are you going to do?
Divided by 2.
And what did you end up with when you divided by 2?
Negative 2.
Okay, good. So negative 2 equals x. So what was your coordinate point?
Negative 2, 0.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to look at the y-intercept. Kevin, tell me what we know about the y-intercept.
X equals 0.
Very good. Okay, what's your equation look like when you did that?
Y equals 2 times 0 plus 4.
Very good. So what did you get for your y value?
4.
4. So then what was your coordinate point?
0, 4.
Okay, I'm going to stop there. Okay, does anybody have a question so far about what's happened? We're good? Okay, so then what we need to do then is go over to your graph. So x-intercept is at negative 2.
You lost it.
Okay, so it's going to cross at negative 2. Okay. All right, so it's crossing at negative 2, and then at 4, so you're going up to positive 4. So double check your graph, and then you have a nice pretty line with arrows on the end. All right, does anybody have a question about B? Good? All right, so now what we need to look at is C, because C is a special case, okay? Because if I think about trying to do the x-intercept here, right? So if I think about x-intercept, what do you know is true about x-intercepts? Y is 0. Well, where do I plug this in at? There's no y, is there? Okay? So we need to write down a couple of notes here. When we have an x equals any number, or like a y equals, let's say 3. When we have an x equals or a y equals, in other words, we don't have x and y. Okay? We have 3 steps that we're going to do. Okay? Step 1, we're going to make a table. We're going to fall back to the tables when it doesn't work right. Okay? So we're going to make a table. Step 2, we're then going to go ahead and graph. And then we're going to pull, step 3, we're going to pull those intercepts off of our graph. Okay? So then identify intercepts. Okay? So that is what we're going to do when we don't have x and y and it's nice and pretty for us. Okay? So we're going to make our table. So if I do x equals negative 2, what goes down my x column on this table? Oh, be careful. What goes down there?
Negative 2, 0, 2.
No. Okay. Graphing this, what's that say?
Negative 2.
So what do I write down?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, right? Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Okay? And remember, there's no work in the middle here, because there's nowhere to plug stuff in. And then what's on our y now? What would we put in the y?
Negative 2, 0, 2, 0.
There you go. Okay? Is everybody okay with that? Okay, so now let's go over and graph it. So negative 2, negative 2. Negative 2, 0. And negative 2, 2. So we have a vertical line. Vertical line. Okay, is everybody okay with step 1 and 2 so far? Okay, so we still have to get graphs. We're still going to graph it. It's just we're going to have to go through tables on this one. Okay, so now, what is my x-intercept for this guy going to be? What's the x-intercept? What does it cross my x-axis at? Okay, what's my coordinate point going to be? Very good. Negative 2, 0. All right, now what's my y-intercept going to be? That's right, there is none. So you're going to write none. Okay, it never touches that y-axis. Therefore, there is no intercept there. Okay? So if you have an x equals or y equals, table, graph, then call the intercept. Okay? Off the picture. Does anybody have any questions on that? Beautiful. Okay.